This video is going to go over the two cases designed by Savage UTV specifically for the Gen 3 high-performance Starlink system. If you are not sure which dish you have, it's as easy as flipping the dish over and taking a look at the backside. If you have a Gen 3 high performance, you'll notice 4 female threaded inserts towards the center of your dish and this V-shaped cutout here. If your female threaded inserts are on the corners over here, then that is a Gen 2 dish, and these cases that I'm going to show you will not fit for that. But we do have cases for both the Mini, the Standard, and the Gen 2 high performance at savageutv.com. Unlike most of our competitors, we use a closed cell EVA foam that is CNC cut to offer 360 degrees of protection to your system. Each component sits in the case in the foam cutout perfectly while still allowing easy access for all ports and cable connections. The first case that I'm going to show you here is designed to hold not only your router and power unit, but it includes all required ports and pass-throughs for your power cables and your dish cable. You can see here that the power unit rests down into the foam and is secured with the Velcro straps here. The router is over here and all your cables are right in the middle. So they pass through the back and we have a dish mount that allows you to mount the dish right onto the top of the case, which will secure if this is, say, in the back of a truck or maybe somewhere where you don't want the dish to fall off. The system is powered through your case by using any common household extension cord and plugging into this AC outlet. There is a PoE cord inside which runs power to your router from the power unit, so really one extension cord will run the entire system. Here is your cable pass-through. If you are just simply going to have the dish, then you use this plug and the cord goes through. That keeps moisture and debris from going inside your case. We also have a second plug if you are going to run an external Ethernet cable. Maybe you want to hardwire something externally. So all of this is included and allows you to keep moisture and debris out of your case while passing the required cords out of the case to the dish or to, say, an external laptop. Each case comes with a mounting bracket, hardware, and the tools and instruction booklet on how to install this. It's very simple, 4 bolts that just attach it to your dish, and then your dish is able to attach to the lid of the case. To do that, you simply want to push the dish cable out through the port, and then you want to connect that to your dish through the little cutout here. Once your cord is in place, you want to line up this V-shaped piece to this V-shaped insert. What that's going to do is lock your dish into place. Now you can see the dish has clicked into the quick release mount and the dish will not move. You can pull on it to make sure that it is locked in place. You can move the lid, the dish is secure. The last thing you're going to want to do is secure this opening by taking your plug and securing it around your dish cord. What you want to do is just kind of press in circles around here. Need that into place, and now moisture and debris cannot get in through that opening. Your dish is connected. Plugging power into here, your system will operate. No tools are needed to release the dish. Simply press the red button, slide the dish off, and it disconnects. You can then undo your power cable, and the dish is ready to be stowed. The second case that I'm going to show you is literally exactly the same case, the exact same foam. Everything is exactly the same except you don't have the ports to pass the electrical power and the dish through. So that case is going to be a little bit less expensive, but you do have to remove the power unit and the router from the case in order to operate your system. Now you can add the quick release mount to that case, so you save a little bit of money, but you can still attach the dish to it. Again, you're just not getting the electrical ports and the cord port through the side, but it will save you a little bit of money. If you are interested in a turnkey operation where everything stays inside, you're not having to worry about constantly rolling up your cords and cables. They just stay in here. You plug a power cord in, put your dish on top, and you're in service. Then I would definitely go with the port, the electrical port included version. It's just a little bit more user-friendly to operate. For full information on both of these cases, go to savageutv.com or savagestoragecases.com, and you can see our full lineup of Starlink cases, mounts, and accessories.